Yeah, hello. It's another day. Yeah, we have this HP laptop here with a charging port problem. This is what I'm getting from the customer. And I thought I should do a video of this laptop. Particularly, it has got this problem of the charging port issue. The charging port keeps going bad all the time. I don't know how many times I've received this kind of laptops in my shop. These laptops are too many in this country. The HP I think the HP is a dominant distributor of laptops in Kenya because these machines are too many. There are so many videos I don't make about this machine actually. If you think that every time I get this machine I make a video, no. There are so many videos I've not made about this laptop because I keep getting this laptop. Some of the issues they come with them, I've already made videos about those issues, and this one particularly for the charging port I've not been able to do one, and so I thought let me also do a recording with this one about the charging port, and then we'll see what you can do about it. So why I'm thinking is the charging port is because of the charging port is a bit loose. You can see it's a bit loose. I don't like how that charging port is, and actually when you try to press the power button on, you can see, yeah, the machine is not going to do anything. So let's go directly to working on this laptop and try to change that port. uh, Hopefully this is going to work. I'm hoping that is going to be a successful case. Yeah, I also had somebody comment on my YouTube channel, hey, there's too much HP laptops on your channel. Yeah, it's what I get here in Africa, and particularly here in Kenya. The HP laptop is too common. And actually when you come here and be very good in HP laptops, you'll make a lot of money here, because if you have all the if you have solutions to HP laptops, then you'll make a lot of money. Because especially this one here, the EliteBooks are too common in this country. They are too common. So let's get this cover out. Let me get rid of this cover. And oops, I think we might be having a problem here. Yeah, because you know what, this is a drop of water. You can see this is a drop of water, so maybe this is even a water damage, a liquid damage job. Wow, this could be a liquid damage job. Yeah, I think this is what we are having here. So let me show you. Okay, maybe let me try to remove the SSD. Let me try to get rid of the SSD. Okay, yeah, take back the screw, because you'll again forget about these screws. These are special screws that you don't just get anywhere. So why I'm saying this is a liquid, this might change to a liquid damage job. Maybe I have to do this so that you can see. Okay, let's see together. Go under the microscope. Let's see this. Yeah, what I'm saying is a liquid damage job because of, yeah, I think this part here, I don't know whether the microscope is able to focus. Yeah, you see this part? Yeah, this is water. So maybe the client is wrong. This could be a liquid damage job, as you can see. Yeah, and actually this is dangerous because when you have a liquid damage on any laptop, it's not the best time to insert a charger in a laptop and try to switch it on, because it could cause more short on the motherboard. And I did insert a charger due to lack of proper information on this laptop, because I thought the laptop was suffering from the charging port issues, of which still now I'm confused. I don't know whether we still having the charging port issue or not, because right now I can detect that we are having some liquid damage on this laptop, as you can see here. Now this is a liquid damage. Yeah, and most probably if you find a liquid damage on a laptop, the most likely way for liquid to get into a laptop is through the keyboard. You can see also this one, yeah? You can see this looks also like, is this a liquid damage or this just a paper? Yeah, looks like this is water, you see? Yeah, this is water. And I don't know to what extent this water has got into this laptop. So I think the best thing is to come out with the whole motherboard. So let me do that. Let's go back to camera mode and try to see what we can do about it. Yeah, it's not advisable to put a charger in a machine that has got a liquid damage, because you might end up causing more problems on there. So let's try to remove these screws quickly. So let me try to get them with the magnet. Yeah, it's easier with the magnet. This is the keyboard. You also get the keyboard screws. Yeah, that's nice. So this one too is remaining. So what else is remaining? Yeah, I think is out. So let me try to get this one, and also the speaker. And maybe this one I'll just let them slide the other side, and maybe come and tie it back here. Yeah, so the motherboard is here. So what is preventing me from going to the other side? Let me tell you in a few. Don't know what to say. Maybe somebody was working on this machine before. So let me get the keyboard out. Because there are some signs of flux on this machine. That's why I am having a thinking that this machine has been worked on before. Okay. So out and also out. Yeah, this area doesn't seem to have a lot of liquid damage. And as I was telling you before, I was thinking that when you have a liquid damage, in most cases the liquid damage comes through the keyboard, because that's the part that is more exposed to water than other areas. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. Yeah, this part doesn't seem to have a lot of damage. So do we continue to say that the only area we need to work on is the okay, I can see something here, but okay, let me check the RAMs. How are the RAMs? Okay, the RAM seems okay to me. And the CMOS button. But I also let's inspect this one using the microscope. Okay, you can still inspect when this one is still there. Yeah, under the microscope, like that. So yeah. So I've seen something somewhere. That's what I want to show you. It's like here there's some form of liquid damage. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. I don't know whether you'll be able to see that. You see there? Yeah, there's some form of liquid damage here. And maybe I should also see here. This is also a form of liquid damage. So let me try to clean that area. I think it's also advisable to remove the whole connector and maybe try to see on the other end how the connector is looking like. And I think okay, the toothbrush is blocking what I want you to see. You can see the flex is not looking bad. You can see the flex is okay. So all I need is some alcohol on that connector there. And so okay, what else is to be checked? Yeah, I thought maybe I should also check this area here, the USB ports, because I think because the connector that is there. Let me come out of the microscope mode. Let me check that. Okay, microscope aside. Yeah, this is the connector where I found to this part here. That's where I've just corrected some liquid damage error or an issue of a liquid damage. So maybe the port is also having some damage. Let me also rush there and try to find out. Okay, just go in. Don't make my work difficult, okay? Yeah, like that. I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so let me remove this one here. I think this one is not looking nice. You remember, this is the same port we had. We cleaned this one using the toothbrush, and it's looking good to me. No, it's not looking very bad. So this turned out to be our liquid damage job. Okay, what about this part here? I don't know why this part some lines are not looking perfect, but anyway, we are going to check that under the microscope. Yeah, so let's just get that back together. Yeah, again under the microscope we get to see what is happening here. Something is happening here, something that is not good. That's what I want us to check. So I think the flexes here are not, you can see that like this one's here. Let me focus, and this one is not in its place. I need to okay there. We need to take it back to its place, huh? focusing as a problem to you? Should be in its place there. Okay, what else did I see in this one? That's all. Yeah, we have one more here. This one is also not in its place. Let me see this one. Okay. Okay, I think that's okay. Now. What about the charging port issue? Let me check the charging port now, eh? Yeah, let's go back to charging port issue together. Was there anything to do with charging ports? Do you think there's something wrong with that charging port? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. So let's insert RAMs and maybe try to test whether that was all. Okay. Maybe this time the motherboard is going to work. So let's check the power supply together. To insert the charger. 27. Yeah, it was taking 27 before. 38. Okay, nothing is going on. So could there be more water under the processor? What about this part here? Okay, to be safe, let me try also to clean this part here. Just to be safe. You never know. Maybe there's something there. Okay, let me try using some so the power supply again. Okay, so what? Maybe I need to try to switch on using the. Let me try to switch on. Yep. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, the lights are on. Yeah, the board is working now. Any short circuits? No, that board is taking a lot of power. 1.4 amperes, and the board has nothing on it. It's not even returned. I've not even returned it back to the computer itself. I've not assembled everything. Yeah, the fan is spinning, so most probably we are having a picture. So let's see this together. Our charging port job changed to a liquid damage job within no time, within a blink of an eye. Okay, it's still a job. Still learn something out of that. You still get learn something at least. So right now I just want to confirm I have an image, or rather the display. And if I have those ones, I think I can call that as a successful case. On Yeah, I never thought this is going to be a different kind of job than the one I was expecting. Or maybe I didn't hear what the customer said, maybe. Maybe I never listened to the customer. So are you having the power button on? Yeah, the power button is on. So let's see whether you're going to have a display here. Or maybe the screen is also having some water. Oh, yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. You can see right now what we have now. We are having a 1.5 amperes being drawn by this motherboard. Yeah, that's a lot of amperes. Yeah, that's some quite amperes, considering the machine is not even having a battery. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I don't see any charging port problem. I don't see any charging port issue. So in this case, maybe we got wrong diagnostics, or maybe we got wrong information regarding this machine. But as you can see, you have also learned something about the liquid damage. Yeah, I noticed the liquid damage immediately I opened the laptop. On the battery there was a drop of water, you can remember, and everything changed. Everything changed to liquid damage and not the charging port anymore. And so that is it, guys. I think it won't be long, and then we are going to get a charging port issue job. And somebody had requested that video. Somebody had requested I should make that video, and don't give up. I think he's going by the name Michael. Michael had requested for that video, and don't give up, Michael. I think very soon I'll be getting your video. I'll make that charging port job, and that is it, guys. Continue subscribing, continue liking and sharing. And also very soon we're also working on membership videos, or our community videos, and we are going to make sure that they are covering the best part of the repairs. And that is it, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Bye. Yeah, so I'll just assemble the rest of the parts. Okay, my camera is taking a bit long to focus, so yeah, I'll assemble the rest of the laptop, and maybe I'll call the client to come and pick the laptop here. So guys, let's meet in the next video. Bye.